Welcome back to Product Critique, your ultimate destination for unbiased product reviews. Today, we're diving into the world of culinary excellence with a kitchen essential that's been making waves. The Lodge LDP3 cast iron rectangular reversible grill, Griddle. If you're passionate about cooking and grilling, you're going to love this. Let me tell you why this product is the best cast iron grill plate available in the market right now. First off, let's talk about durability. With a solid cast iron construction, this griddle combo is built to last. It's seasoned with 100% natural vegetable oil, ensuring longevity and excellent performance for years to come. Now, let's talk about heat distribution. One of the hallmarks of a great grill plate is its ability to distribute heat evenly. And guess what? The Lodge LDP3 excels in this department. Whether you're cooking on the stove, in the oven, on the grill, or over a campfire, you can expect unparalleled heat retention and even heating every time. Versatility is key when it comes to kitchen tools, and this griddle doesn't disappoint. From getting a restaurant-quality sear on your steaks to sautéing veggies to perfection. Baking mouth-watering desserts, or even grilling your favorite seafood, the possibilities are endless with the Lodge LDP3. Now, let's address the elephant in the room, cleaning. We all know how tedious it can be to clean up after a hearty meal. But fear not. Despite its robust build, this griddle is surprisingly easy to clean. Just a quick rub with a light layer of vegetable oil while it's still warm, and you're good to go. Plus, it's designed for hassle-free maintenance, so you can spend less time scrubbing and more time enjoying your culinary creations. So, there you have it, folks. The Lodge LDP3 cast iron rectangular reversible griddle, the undisputed champion of cast iron grill plates. Whether you're a seasoned chef or just starting your culinary journey, this versatile, durable, and easy-to-clean kitchen essential will take your cooking game to the next level. That wraps up today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more unbiased product critiques. Until next time, happy cooking!